In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a credential group in Hyperstack. A credential group is similar to a folder and is used to organize a collection of credentials like those for a course or program. Start from your homepage and click Create Credential Group. Here, you can customize the group to match the program you're running. For this example, I'm creating a sample group for my certification program. First, enter the title of the program or course. Next, choose the certificate and badge designs. You can select both or just one. Then, enter a description of the course or program. You can format the description with bullet points or different text styles. Now, enter the group code, which is used internally and not visible for public. Moving on to the marketing section. Before credentials are issued, it's important to consider how they will be presented and shared, both within the organization and externally. This section allows you to control the visibility and branding of the credential group. You can decide whether to showcase this group publicly on the organization public page. Social media thumbnail. By default, the certificate image is displayed when students share their credentials on social media. You can choose which image should be prioritized. Knowledge or skill tags. Add all relevant skill tags, separated by commas. These will appear on the credential page. Website link. If there's a public website for this program, add the link here. It will act as a call to action on your student's credential page. Next, General Settings. This section covers the operational aspects of managing your credentials. From expiry to email notifications, these settings ensure smooth administration and help maintain the integrity of the credentials. Auto expiration. Set an automatic expiry for the credentials, from 1 to 10 years. When the credential expires, the recipient will be notified for renewal. Prevent duplicate entries. Disable this option to prevent the issuance of credentials twice to the same email address, which helps avoid accidental duplicates. Email notification. If enabled, the recipient will receive the credential by email upon issuance. If disabled, the credential will be published but not emailed. Accepting reviews. Enable this to collect reviews from recipients when they receive their credential on email. For email templates, we will cover this later on upcoming videos. Next, credential security. This feature is crucial for preventing credential tampering and fraud. Enabling this will issue credentials on the blockchain, making them verifiable across nations. If the credential is for something simple, like a participation certificate, you might choose to disable this feature. However, for course completions or higher-level certificates, we recommend enabling it. Once done, click Create Group. Congratulations! You have now learned how to create a credential group on Hyperstack. Thank you. Have a great day.